Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Tech More. Are you tired of spending hours sifting through endless search results or struggling to find quality, trustworthy information for your work or studies? Meet Genspark AI, the game-changing platform that's transforming the way we research, create, and work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an influencer, Genspark is designed to save you time and deliver better results. Genspark is more than just another search engine. It's a powerful AI-powered research assistant that consolidates and organizes the most relevant, unbiased, and high-quality information from trusted sources, all in one place. With Genspark, you can quickly get direct answers to your questions, access detailed Spark pages, and use cutting-edge tools to tackle complex tasks. From academic research to product comparisons, it's designed to help you work smarter, faster, and more effectively. This is the direct answer, a quick and precise response generated by Genspark AI. It's perfect for when you need immediate information without digging through pages of results. But that's not all. Scroll down, and you'll find Spark Pages, a detailed, interactive hub for in-depth exploration. Let's click on one of these pages to see more. Here we are. Spark Pages give you a comprehensive breakdown of your query, organized into sections like definitions, applications, and FAQ. And here's where it gets even better. Meet the AI Copilot. This interactive assistant is available on every Spark page to help you navigate or expand on your topic. For example, I can ask, look how it responds with an easy-to-understand explanation, complete with examples. This feature makes learning and problem-solving incredibly intuitive. You can also ask follow-up questions or request additional details, making the AI Copilot a true partner in your research or learning journey. Imagine having a smart assistant for your daily tasks, whether it's chatting, translating, image generation, or even complex research. Let's explore how Genspark AI makes it all possible. Let's take a look at the Agents page. This is like a one-stop toolbox for all your AI needs. We have 5 key agents: general chat, image generation translation, data search, and CrossCheck. I'll walk you through each one with examples. First up, the general chat agent. Need a quick answer, brainstorming ideas, or just a casual chat? This agent is your go-to. For example, let's ask, what's the best way to stay productive? See how it provides insightful tips in seconds? Amazing, right? Chat feature with mixture of agents. Here's an example. I'm asking, how can I make the perfect cup of coffee? Notice how different agents provide answers. One suggests the ideal brewing temperature, another focuses on grind size, and a third talks about water to coffee ratios. Then, through reflection, the system synthesizes these into a single, comprehensive answer. Pretty cool, right? Now let's check out image generation. This tool can create stunning visuals based on your descriptions. For example, let's type a futuristic city skyline at sunset, and boom, you get a beautiful, AI-generated image. Great for creatives and designers. Next, let's look at image generation. Mixture of agents doesn't just create one picture, it gives you options. For example, let's try a serene mountain lake at sunrise. First, we see the quote picture. This uses direct prompts to give a precise result. Then the auto prompt comes in. It refines your description for a more creative output. Mixture of agents is like a team of specialists collaborating on your request. Whether it's chatting, generating pictures, or translating text, multiple agents analyze your query, offer their unique takes, and then combine their insights to give you the best answer. Let's explore how this happens in real time. Real magic happens in reflection. Whether it's chat, image generation, or translation, Genspark AI analyzes each agent's response, compares results, and ensures you get the most refined and reliable output. It's like having a panel of experts at your fingertips. Next, we have the translation agent. It's perfect for converting text into multiple languages. For instance, let's translate, "Hello, how are you?" into Spanish, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Voila, done in a snap now. Onto the translation feature. Genspark AI uses 5 different models to translate simultaneously. For example, let's translate "Good morning, how are you?" into French. Each model provides its translation. The system then combines the strengths of each result, grammar, tone, and cultural nuances to deliver the best final translation. Bonjour, comment allez-vous? This multi-model approach ensures accuracy and nuance in every language. Ever wonder if a statement is true or false? That's where the CrossCheck agent shines. Specifically, we're going to explore its CrossCheck feature, which helps ensure accuracy and reliability when processing information. Let's get started. So, what is CrossCheck? It's an incredibly useful tool built into the Genspark engine that helps verify information from different sources. Whether it's fact-checking common misconceptions, cross-referencing studies, or analyzing conflicting data, CrossCheck ensures that the results you get are as accurate and reliable as possible. Let's see how CrossCheck works with some real-world examples. First up, which is closer to humans on the evolutionary tree, dogs or mice? Now, we might have heard different opinions, but CrossCheck will dig into the scientific facts, review evolutionary data, and deliver a solid answer. Turns out, genetically, mice are closer to humans than dogs. It's a surprising fact for many, but CrossCheck ensures the information aligns with the most current research, eliminating the guesswork. Next, let's talk literary trivia. Did you know the grandson of Agatha Christie, the queen of detective fiction, is still alive? Many people love to pass around historical tidbits like this, but with CrossCheck, we can validate this claim. After running through verified sources, CrossCheck confirms that, yes, Agatha Christie's grandson, Matthew Pritchard, is very much alive and continuing her legacy. No more worrying about passing on outdated or incorrect info. And here's a popular myth we've all heard. Charging your phone overnight damages the battery. Is it true? Well, thanks to CrossCheck, we know that modern phones are designed to handle overnight charging with built-in protections against overcharging. CrossCheck cross-references industry sources, battery technology research, and user guides to confirm that this myth is mostly debunked, as long as you're using a certified charger. So there you have it. The CrossCheck feature in Genspark is a game changer when it comes to verifying myths, checking facts, and ensuring accuracy. Whether you're curious about everyday myths or complex data, Genspark's AI is here to make sure you get the most reliable answers. And finally, the data search agent. If you need structured data for research or work, this agent does the heavy lifting. Just give it an assignment, and it builds a table with data and citations. Let's try. Search for population data of major cities in Europe. See? It constructs a comprehensive table with all the information. The Autopilot agents are designed for complex, time-intensive tasks like research, data gathering, and cross-checking. Here's the best part. You don't have to sit around and wait for results. The agent works independently and notifies you when it's done. Let's see it in action. Here, I've asked the Autopilot agent to compile a list of AI trends for 2024. It's a task that might take hours to do manually, but with Autopilot, it's handled for you. Once I hit run, the agent starts gathering data, cross-checking sources, and constructing a detailed report. Now here's where the magic happens. The task runs in the background, and I don't need to monitor it. When the task is complete, you'll get an email notification. This way, you can step away, focus on other things, and come back when it's ready. No need to babysit the process. Once notified, you can click the link in your email to view the results. Here's what the agent has delivered. Genspark is always expanding its capabilities with specialized channels designed to help you get the most detailed insights. Take the finance channel. With access to over 300,000 corporate earnings reports, stock analysis, and company data, Genspark is a go-to tool for financial professionals. So why choose Genspark over traditional search engines like Google or even ChatGPT? With Genspark, you get unbiased, comprehensive content, say goodbye to spam ads, and irrelevant results. Genspark delivers clean, high-quality info from trustworthy sources. No commercial bias, no clutter. Plus, it brings everything together in one place. Whether you're searching for answers, exploring topics, generating research, or even creating custom images, You can do it all in one easy-to-use. If you're ready to work smarter, save time, and get better results, head over to Genspark AI and experience it for yourself. Whether you're researching, learning, or creating, Genspark is the tool you need to take your work to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on how Genspark is changing the way we discover and work with information. See you next time.